Guys, you're not going to believe where we are. We are in a very northern point of Norway on a remote fjord called Segelvik. Currently working with Valhalla Orca Expeditions. Let me give you a quick little recap or a quick little overview of the camp. There have just been orcas, fin whales, feedings going on. I've been flying the drone like crazy. Let me show you some of the footage up again. Let's put the drone up. Let's get out there. Let's see what's going on because there's a lot of exciting stuff going on in Norway. Just here from the camp, we're going to be doing expeditions coming up, but just here from the camp, you can get some really dope drone footage. So let's go check it out. There were at least 2 pods of orcas out there. One was quickly making its way down the coast, probably in search of food. The other pod was gathered in a group, with some tail slapping repeatedly. They were obviously very excited. This behavior is commonly done in celebration of a successful hunt. The schools of herring have begun to arrive, and that's why the orcas are here. But then, in the distance, a different-looking spout. They were large and moved slowly. Fin whales, also arriving for the herring feast. There must have been like 5 or 6 of them. The presence of so many animals in such a small area could only mean one thing. The season has begun.